Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you one of my best fat cutter recipes. Like, this recipe helps to melt down the bad fats in your belly, causing saggy or flappy belly, like the sides of your belly looking so big and chunky. You can't feel free to put on your bikini wears or expose your belly. These recipes have really helped me to melt down all the bad belly fat. As you can see on my before and after picture, it has really helped me. Now I can flaunt my belly because of this my healthy recipe. So I thought of sharing with you. If you are battling with stubborn belly fat, you want to try this: one glass in the morning, one in the afternoon after your meal, one at night time. Just keep doing it and be very serious about it. Do your portion control, and trust me, you will melt down that bad fat before you know it. So yeah, let's get into it. In order to come up with this recipe, you will need like something to mix up your ingredients in, like a big cup like this, to give you that quantity for the whole day. Yeah, so the first thing you want to do is to heat up your water. Like, that is my kettle. I'm on in my, because I need the water to bubble up before I pour in my ingredients. So the first ingredient I'll be using for this fat cutter recipe will be cucumbers. Cucumbers are very good. They help to flush out waste from your system, support your system to detox toxins, dead bad fats in your system, and leaving your system so light and clean. That way there is no waste in your system or bad fats causing the belly fat and weight gain. So what I'll be using for this will be half a cucumber. As you saw me, you just need to get one cucumber, divide in the middle, and you need just half. So you have the cucumber and slice into tiny sizes that can easily fit in that cup, like tiny. As you can see, my cup is like, it will give me 4 cups or close to 5 cups in there. So this is it. You want to slice your cucumbers. Cucumbers are so good when it comes to weight loss. This is the best ingredient. You can snack on them, add them in your tea. It helps to wash out waste from the system, melt down bad fats in the system. So that is the first ingredient I'm putting in my cup, the half a cucumber sliced into tiny sizes. So as you can see at the back, my water is heating up, and I'll be introducing the second ingredient I'll be adding in there. The second will be lemon. So you can use lemon or grapefruit, but not orange. Lemon or grapefruit, they are really good, as they are more acidic inclined than oranges. Or if you want to use oranges, you use the sour orange. These ones, they help to burn bad fats in the system. The acidity, like, it helps to burn down that bad fats in your system. So we are mixing with other ingredients, so it doesn't really be bad. Like, the acid is not really bad. That is why you have to mix with other ingredients. It's not good to just get lemons and start chewing them, or having the juice without mixing up, because it is really acidic. So you have to mix with other ingredients, so the acid is not really bad, but you have that acid in there to help you burn down that bad fats in your system. So that is why we are using lemons in here. So we are using 1 lemon. You want to get your 1 lemon, wash thoroughly, slice into sizes that can get into your cup without being so, like, taking a lot of space. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use lemon or grapefruit. Lemon, grapefruit, or lime, but not orange, except it's the real sour orange. Lemon, grapefruit, or lime. So that is the second ingredient I'm adding in there. Voila. So the next thing you want to add in there will be green tea. So green tea is very good at detoxification. It helps to support your system to cleanse and flush out waste and toxins from your system, because a lot of waste or food stored up in your system can make your belly look so bloated and big. So this is to lighten up your system, to help your system detox those waste out of your system, so you can easily, like, stay in shape, like melt down that bad belly fat for you. So all the ingredients have their purpose put together. Now you will see a lot of good benefits. So this is green tea. You can use any green tea of your choice. It doesn't matter which green tea. Green tea is green tea. So what you need is just 1 sachet of green tea. So you want to get your 1 sachet of green tea, and add into the cup. So in there are my half a cucumber sliced, one lemon sliced, with my one sachet of green tea. Those are the first three ingredients, and yeah, my water needs to boil, and I'll introduce the next ingredient. Yeah, so this is optional. If you don't have cinnamon powder, that is okay, you can skip it, but cinnamon powder is very good as well. It is a very powerful detoxifier. You can use it to detox your skin with it topically, and to detox your system with it internally. It helps to burn bad fats in the system, as it is thermic. It heats up your system and burns bad fats in your system, supports your system to flush out those toxins, so it can really take you to your restroom. When you consume it, it takes you to your restroom to poo all the bad waste in your system. So what I'll be adding here is a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So that is it. The next thing I'll be adding will be ginger. So I am using mostly powders. If you have the cinnamon stick, you can use. If you have ginger without this powder, you can just get like an inch of ginger, cut into tiny sizes and add in there. But for today, I'll be using ginger powder, but you can use the fresh ginger. An inch of fresh ginger you slice into tiny sizes and add in there. So yeah, this is the next ingredient. Ginger is very good. It is equally thermic. It helps to heat up and burn bad fats in your system. It is hot to burn that bad fats, yeah, to help you burn that bad fats in your system. So that is it. That is the next ingredient we are adding in here. So what we need is a teaspoon as well of ginger powder. So you want to measure a teaspoon of ginger powder and add in your ingredients. So this is it, a teaspoon of ginger powder. Very good at burning bad fats and detoxing, boosting your metabolism, so you can easily digest, metabolize food and burn down bad fats in your system. So this is it, added in our cup. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be adding will be honey. That is because honey is good sugar to help you with energy. When you consume these weight loss drinks, they can drain you, like they can metabolize your food, burn that fat in your system so fast, and you easily feel hungry. So you want to add in honey for energy and for taste as well, because I know most people don't like to drink tea that is not really tasty in the mouth, but honey should be the best option, not white sugar. If you put white sugar in here, just know you are putting calories into your system. You are putting those calories causing the belly fat in the first place. So you want to stay away from white sugar or whatever, brown sugar, white sugar. Just stay away from sugar and go more for honey. Substitute your sugar with honey. Honey is more healthy and good sugar that you need in your system. So as you can peep at the back, that is my water boiling. My water is boiling. I need it to bubble up before I add, so it can really infuse these ingredients for me to form a tea that will help burn and melt down that bad fat in the system. So voila, this is it. It will give around 5 cups because I'll add the water right to the brim. So it will give you like 5 tiny cups. Yeah, so this is like 5 tiny cups you can have. 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass after each meal. Like after you eat, you have a glass, but not just like, what you need to do is to mix up these ingredients first. After you mix up these ingredients, you want to cover it with something. Like I'll show you what to do. So you mix, and you cover it up with a plastic wrap or a foil paper, so the ingredients can really like steep and infuse in here to be really strong. So I'll be covering it with my foil paper and leave for like 10-15 minutes before I drink it. By then the tea will be warm, not too hot, and all the ingredients will be infused in the water, and this is powerhouse. Like this is bomb to burn down the bad fats and we stay in shape. So yeah, I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all get back to shape and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't yet, so you don't miss any of my videos and you get to watch them on time. Thank you and bye.